Quick summary. We talked in the previous video about you being able to construct pH curves for all the possible combinations of strong acids and strong bases and weak acids and weak bases. This is the summary for it. Strong acid, strong base starts off at pH 1, equivalence point, radical step up, and then we end up at about pH 14. Equivalence pH is 7 for this combination. Okay, next one, starting with a strong acid. Again, we're going to start off down the bottom here. Then we're going to see this radical increase. Adding a weak base, we're going to end up pH of about 10 roughly. So it's going to go steep up to here and then it's going to curve off. We're going to read off, like we did earlier. Read off at the at the equivalence point. The pH is going to be less than 7. This time, weak acid, strong base. We're going to start off roughly about pH 4. And again, big step up, and then we're going to end up, because it's a strong base, at about pH 13, 14. Again, read off, pH this time is going to be greater than 7. And the last one, well, it's a difficult one, this one. What you see is a weak acid, so it starts off about here, and then you might, if you're lucky, see a tiny little increase, and then you go off into a weak base for this one. To do strong acid to strong base to strong acid, it's the mirror image of this. You'd start high and then end up low, and the same for all of the others. The equivalence point for this one is roughly 7.